Guys, you have to send to ma'am. I'll check it for now. So Vera is correct. So Avyan, ma'am, Viro is absent, and Amy. Amy, you can speak your answers.
C and B.
C and
B.
it's C and D. The product of a rational number with its reciprocal is 1. Let's say 2 by 3 times 3 by 2, the product is 1. So it is true. 0 has no reciprocal. This is also true. Every natural number is a rational number. This is also true. Okay, Amy?
Yes, sir.
So let's do the third and fourth question.
Now, what kind of average we need to take out?
Average means, beta, we add them and divide by 2. Means first you have to arrange them in the ascending order. Then the two जो बीच में हो उनको add करो and divide it by 2. That
Okay,
is the
sir.
meaning of average.
Yes, sir.
Like suppose you have numbers 3, 7, 9, and maybe 12. So first you will arrange them in ascending order 3, 7, 9, and 12. Then you will add 7 plus 9, divide by 2. Alright? So the same thing you have to do with these rational numbers. Guys, hurry up. बोल की सनी गाइस जल्दी करो. All right, let's look here. So, Mr. Avyan, let's look here. So, to everyone, I want to explain you a technique of, arranging fractions in ascending or descending order, which you can use in Olympiad. So, everyone pay attention. So, 4/7 को आप जब divide करोगे, so it will be 0.5 something. Yes or no? Because you will put 4.0. Yes or no? So this step you have to do it in your mind. So 1/3 will be what? Adit,
So 0.3 something.
0.3 something. So 2/3 will be what, Avyan?
The point
Point
6.6
six
something.
something. So 5/9 will be what, Pritish?
5/9. Sir, 0. सर मेरे को नहीं पता.
So Polki, 5/9 will be what?
Yes, sir.
5/9 will be what?
Sir, 5 by nah. Sir, you're doing it the decimal way.
Yes. Beta, pay attention in the class. Amira, 5/9 will be what?
0.1.
No, beta, it will not be 0.1.
So can I tell it?
Yes, Dheeraj,
It will be 0.5 something.
0.5 something. Guys, देखो. Polki and Amira pay attention and Pritish pay attention now. आपको 5 को 9 से divide करना है. You cannot divide, you will add a decimal point, so a decimal point will go in the quotient also. You will add a 0. So now you can divide 9 5s are 45. So directly you have to do in your mind 50 करोगे 0.5 आंसर आ जाए. Understood?
Yes,
Pritesh
sir.
समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
So now we know that this is 0.3, this is 0.6. तो ये दोनों मेरे कॉर्नर के हो गए, 1/3 और 2/3 कॉर्नर के हो गए. Now these two are the middle ones, 5/9 and 4/7. So I can add 5/9 plus 4/7. I will get 28 plus 35. So what will I get? 36 plus 35 upon 63. So 9 fours are 36 plus 7 fives are 35 upon 63. So I will get 71 upon 63. Now I have to divide it by 2 because we have to find the average. So answer will be 71 upon 126. Understood everyone? Avyan understood?
Yes, sure.
Now the next question, Avyan. The product of two rational numbers is 9/16. One of them -4/3 multiplied by x equal to -9/16. Remember, जब दोनों साइड माइनस हो और कोई प्लस नहीं हो, मतलब एक एक टर्म ही हो, दिस इज टर्म वन, दिस इज ऑल्सो टर्म वन, सो वी कैन कैंसल आउट द माइनस. So x will be
Yes, sure.
equal to, I will take 3 to the other side, it will become multiplication, 4 will come in the division. So my answer would be what? 27 upon 64. Understood?
सर मैंने मैंने 9/16 को कुछ और लिख लिया.
Okay, beta, okay. चलो. So have we understood,
अब
guys?
मैंने 9/10 लिख लिया, इसलिए गलत होगा.
So the question for the fifth one is a rational number -5/7. This is the question. A, B, C, D are the options. So you have to do the fifth one and the sixth one. Don't take a lot of time. Guys, grade 7 में Olympiad में if you want to score, you have to solve every question in 1 minute right from the start. If you take more time, you have to look for shortcuts, you have to look for quick solutions. Like I told you of converting into decimal, so you have to look for such solutions. All right, let's look here. So first one, everyone got it right. It's A. Second one, now this is greater, but it is negative, so this will be greater. So which is correct, true. So now in which one is greater? This is greater, but negative है तो उल्टा हो
Sir,
जाता है. So
excuse
this
me,
is
sir.
greater. So this is also true. Yes.
Sir, what did you say negative में क्या?
बेटा नेगेटिव भी उल्टा हो जाता है ना. जैसे 3/5 is greater than 3/7. पर नेगेटिव में तो उल्टा हो जाएगा. जो ज्यादा बड़ा होगा वो ज्यादा छोटा हो जाएगा. मीन्स लेस नेगेटिव मीन्स अ ग्रेटर नंबर. लेस है ना. तो ये लेस नेगेटिव है तो ये ग्रेटर हो जाएगा. विच इज ट्रू.
Okay.
उल्टा हो जाएगा बेसिकली. नाउ हियर आई नो 11
तो फिर
सेम है. 3/5 इज ग्रेटर देन 1/4. तो अगर नंबर्स पॉजिटिव होते तो ये ग्रेटर होता. बट नंबर्स आर नेगेटिव, सो दिस विल बी ग्रेटर. So this is my answer because this is false, incorrect. So this is my answer. Got it? Now seventh is a tough question, but most of you will use the wrong way to do it. So first solve it, then I will explain why that is a wrong way and what is the other method we could have used. So do the seventh and eighth.
और मेरे को दोनों में से कोई भी समझ आया.
Yes.
मेरे को दोनों में से कोई भी नहीं समझ आया.
दोनों में से कोई भी समझ नहीं आया. So the thing is, you have to find which of the following is not a rational number. Means कौन सा fraction, because they are all positive, is not between them and them. This and this 1/2 and 3/4. Okay.
Okay.
इनके बीच में नहीं है. And this तो I will explain how to solve.
Oh, please, can you give us some more time?
Yes, you can take some more time. Amira, you got it wrong.
This is easy.
So Polki, time up. So first, let me explain the eighth question to Savera and Avyan. See kids, ये 0.5 है, ये 0.75 है. Now 9 by 16 is 16 5s are 80, 6 are 96. So this will be 0.5 something. This will be 0.8 something. So that's my answer. This will be 0.6 something. This will be 0.6 something. So my answer is 0.8. It does not lie. As simple as that. Right, guys? Yes, Avyan, Savira.
सर बट वन बाय टू और वन को मल्टीप्लाई करना ज्यादा इजी मेथड है
क्या करना मल्टीप्लाई?
और उनका 1/2 और 3/4 का डिनोमिनेटर 16 बनाना
Yes, that is, it depends on you which method you find easier. Yes, that also method that can work in this question. You multiply by 8 and 8, you multiply them with, you make the denominator 16. All right. So whichever method, see, my duty was to tell you all the methods available. Now for this particular question, multiplication was an easier option. Anyway, so the seventh one को क्या करेंगे हम? Basically, this type of question has to be solved by this way. So x by y here. So somehow I have to get x by y here because individually I don't know the value of y. Individually I don't know the value of x. So what is done here is you have to see this operation very carefully. Numerator में मेरे पास y minus x है, correct? And denominator में I have y plus x. So because I know the value of x by y, I can divide. Pritish, I want you to look at the screen better when I am explaining. I can divide my numerator and denominator with y. मैं numerator और denominator दोनों को y से divide करूँ. So I will get in the numerator y cancel हो जाएगा 1 minus x by y upon 1 plus x by y. So how many of you understood this step? I divided the numerator and denominator with y and y. जैसे मेरे पास 5/7 so I can or let's say I have 10/20. So what I do, I divide my denominator with 2 and numerator with 2. तो मुझे 5/10 आ जाता है. Do I do that? Yes or no? Same way, मेरे पास एक term, if I have anything like this, let's say 4 plus 8 upon 16 minus 12. मुझे values नहीं पता. So I can divide each of them with 2. Let's say if I don't know the value, I'm just explaining that this also can work. Correct? Both the numerator, denominator divided by 2. So have you understood? I divided the numerator and denominator by y. Have we understood or not understood this?
तो सर
So how many of you understood? No one understood this step?
नो सर
So then we will leave this question for now because I'll explain this after a few months of course. Because मैं अभी इसको explain नहीं कर सकता. If we have not understood, I have marked this question. I'll explain this after a few months of course. Now I will tell you how students get the correct answer for this question. What they do, in place of x they put 9, in place of y they put 8. ऐसे किसने सॉल्व किया है?
सर मैंने ट्राई करा था इसे सॉल्व करने का बट आंसर
सर मैंने ट्राई किया था बट
मैंने
आंसर
ऐसे
नहीं आ रहा
किया
था।
So 6
तो
by
मैंने ऐसे
7 minus 1 by 70.
तो
Guys,
मैंने
इस क्वेश्चन में ये मैथमेटिकली करेक्ट नहीं है. But why this method works in this question? Because this is a ratio and we have these in all the four terms. तो जो common ratio होता है वो कट हो जाता है, which you don't understand at this point. So for this question, for the exam point of view, this method might work, but it's not mathematically very apt. ठीक है, जो mathematical correct method है, maybe I'll explain you after a few months of course. I'll try again. All right. So for now we will move ahead and yes, what are you saying?
This was the method that I used.
Yes, I know बेटा आपने use किया होगा. Do the ninth one.
So do we have to type mention the answer?
Yes, for this question I'm not giving any option. First find the sum, then find the product, and then do the division. That is my tip to you. So ma'am, please make this a star question. So it's not very tough.
सर समर मल्टीप्लाई कर उनका प्रोडक्ट निकाल के डिवाइड कैसे करना है मतलब
बेटा देखो, आपको एक फ्रैक्शन आया जो इनका सम है,
यस सर
आपको एक फ्रैक्शन आया जो इनका प्रोडक्ट है,
यस सर
तो देन डिवाइड कर दो. फ्रैक्शन 1 और रैशनल नंबर 1 डिवाइड बाय रैशनल नंबर 2. So divide the sum of this and this by their product. So kids, आप तीनों आंसर भेजो, sum, product and division. Amy, you also sent all the three answers. All three correct means you get a star.
So should I also resend?
No, beta, you already got a star. So sum, product and what you get after division, send it. सम क्यों गलत हो गया? सनी एंड एमी, सम शुड हैव बीन करेक्ट. एंड पोल की प्रीति, सेंड योर आंसर.
Sir, I sent.
Sir, understood my mistake.
So Amy, what will be the sum?
So I understood my mistake.
Pritish, what is the sum?
And the sum is
So it will be, we can cross multiply since 9 and 8 are co-primes whose HCF is 1. So we can cross multiply, we'll get 32 minus 63 upon 72. Any doubts?
no, sir.
So my answer would be minus 31 upon 72. Any doubts?
No, sir.
क्या?
मेरा आंसर सही है बट सम और वो रॉन्ग है.
All right. Then product will be 4
Sir,
by 9 into minus 7 by 8. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So I will get minus 7 upon 18.
yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes. Yes,
Now I
sir.
have to divide this with this. So minus 31 by 72 divide by. Avyan, you got it right or Dheeraj, you got it right?
और मैंने माइनस साइंस नहीं लगाई प्रोडक्ट और
No,
सम
I
के
got
अंदर.
correct. I got,
Send the answer in next also.
So 31 by 28. Correct?
सर मेरा आंसर वगैरह सब कुछ सही है बट मैंने सम और प्रोडक्ट के अंदर माइनस लगाया.
you said that I
माइनस नहीं करा.
you said that I didn't have to reset because I already got a star.
Okay, fine, all right. You already have a star, Dheeraj. Don't worry about it.
Sir, could you give a break?
Beta, it's 15 minutes left for the class.
Sir, please.
2 minute break.
All right, take a 2 minutes break. So do the 12th and 13th question. Please paste the names again.
Amount is a typing error.
So Pritish
I'm just
and
solving the first second one.
Amy. What happened, Pritish and Amy?
So I'm just solving the second one.
So I sent it.
Okay. All right, Pritish and Amy, look. Which of the following are not equivalent? So this will cancel out. These are equivalent. So what answer did you send, Pritish and Amy?
I said C.
C. So 25 by 30 and 15 by 18. So 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18. Are they equivalent or not?
Yes.
Amy, what answer did you send for the 12th question?
So C.
See, beta, they are equivalent. We can see that, correct?
So I realized my mistake.
So 8 fours are 32, 8 sevens are 56. So these are not equivalent because here I got 4 by 14, here I got 4 by 7. Now next one, 13th. Which of the following in ascending order means the smallest one first? मुझे smallest चाहिए तो सबसे बड़ा फ्रैक्शन अगर मैं इग्नोर कर दूं सारे तो सबसे बड़ा फ्रैक्शन मुझे I want it in the first place. So then again I can divide. This is 4 by this is what improper. So ये सबसे बड़ा होना चाहिए but with a negative sign it is the smallest. So this option gets crossed out. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what will be my answer? What Pritish क्या आंसर भेजा आपने?
So मैंने D भेजा था.
डी भेजा था. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. Let's see the next one. 2 by 3. अगर मैं इसको करूं तो this will be 0.6, this will be 0.5, this will be 0.6 again. So they are not the correct order. ठीक है? And here it will be 0.6, here it is 0.6 something, and here it is 0.5. Here it is 0.6, 0.6, and 0.5. So the answer should be between A and C. I can compare these two. This will be 15, this will be 16. I want the bigger one first. So this is the bigger one. 8 into 2, 16, 3 into 5, 15 by cross multiplication. So my answer would be C. If you don't understand, you can, the LCM way is also very small. For this one, the LCM will be 24. You can convert them into like rational numbers and then solve it. Otherwise, I think for you guys, that will be an easier method for the starting. So, Amy, Preeti, Savir, Abhyan understood?
Yes, sir.
Should I solve
Yes,
by
sir.
converting? Should I solve by converting into like rational numbers also?
No, sir.
Pritesh, should I solve?
No, sir. बिल्कुल like वाले से.
करके बताऊं?
No, sir.
Amira, should I solve?
No, sir.
So I used a different technique.
All right, do the 14th question. And 14th and which one? Fourteenth and 15th.
So what is a delegation?
Means a group of people which come, which are generally honorable, so they come for some purpose.
सर ये आपने ज्यादा इजी दे जो
That's great, you give it quickly.
सर ये दोनों बहुत इजी है
So quickly do it, guys. So when we do questions from the Olympiad book, few are easy, few are tough. That's how it goes.
सर look at my pen
So Dheeraj, Avyan, Polki, be quick, guys. All right. So the answer is AC. So let's see the third one. So 3 by 20 are from India, 1 by from Britain, 3 by 10 from Germany. So I can add them all. 3 by 10 plus 3 by 20 plus 1 by 4. So the LCM will be 20. So I will get 6 plus 3 plus 5 upon 20. So I will get 14 by 20. So this I can subtract from 1 because the total are always taken as 1. So 1 minus 14 by 20 will be what? 6 by 20. So then I can find 6 by 20 of 1200, which will give me 360 as the answer. This is method 1. Method 2 is
straight away
एक मिनट बेटा एक मिनट. Method 2 is we find 3 by 20 of 1200, 1 by 4 of 1200, 3 by 10 of 1200 and then subtract from 1200. Yes, Pratisha, bolo.
सर बट मैंने जो करा था 3/10 into 1200 सीधा करा था नहीं आया था
3 by क्या किया आपने?
3/10 of 1200 करा था मैंने सीधा वही आंसर
आपको कैसे पता 3 by 10 ही अमेरिकन है? How do you know that the Americans are 3 by 10?
तो मतलब मैंने 3/10 से कर लिया और वो सही हो गया फिर
So that was a luck beta. See, अगर आपको fractions में नहीं जाना, the other way is you we find the values for everything. So we will find the values of 3 by 20. पहले आप 3 by 20 find करो. 3 by 20 of 1200 means multiplied by 1200 will be 180. Then 1 by 4 of 1200 will be 300. Then 3 by 10 of 1200 will be 360. Then we add them up all, subtract from 1200 to get the same answer. ठीक है? जो भी करेंगे we'll get 360 only. Got it? ये method clear हुआ? So the same
Yes,
thing
sir.
we can do with fractions also. Alright guys, that's all for today. Bye. Good night. Enjoy.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye guys. Bye bye.